Congratulations for your Forbes SmartClean with fully automatic cleaning station. Inside the box, you'll find the Forbes SmartClean along with a full set of accessories. Install the climbing base. Place the cleaning station against a wall with 2 meters front and 0.5 meter side clearance. Fill the clean water tank with RO water up to the marked level. Add 60 ml of Forbes GermGuard cleaning liquid in this tank. Slide the dust bag handle into the card slot and insert the bag in place. Remove the bumper strips on both sides. Attach the mop cloth securely to the mop holder and slide it in place. Attach the mop assembly on the holder pin until you hear a click. Attach the side brush at the designated slot. Plug in and switch on. The station's light will glow white. Press the power button for 3 seconds to turn it on. Dock it and let it charge fully before the first use. Your Forbes SmartClean is ready to connect.